Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check deleted posts on Facebook. So now without any further delay, let's start with the simple process. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile device. Now make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see three lines icon that says menu right here. Tap on it. Now once you are here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of settings and privacy. Just tap on it. Now with that, you'll see various options. Just tap on settings. With that, you'll come across settings and privacy page. Just scroll down below. And under your activity, you'll see the option of activity log. Tap on it. With that, you'll come across this page. Now over here, you can see your certain activities that you have performed on your Facebook profile. Now just at the top and the middle of your screen, you can see the option of trash with a bin icon on it. Just tap on it. Now over here, you can see your recently deleted posts on Facebook. You can also see the time left for this post to be permanently deleted. If you don't want this post to be permanently deleted, just tap on the three horizontal dots right here. Now you can see various options here. You can also restore this photo to your profile, or you can even delete this photo permanently before the permanent deletion date. Now if you tap on restore to profile, your audiences on Facebook will be able to see this post of yours. Now just tap on restore. Now you can see that this post will be deleted from trash and be restored back to your profile. Now let's simply open our profile on Facebook. Scroll down below and you can see that this post of mine is restored back to my profile. Now just tap on three dots above your post. Here we go. Now if you tap on edit privacy, you can also change your privacy to only me. So by doing this, your post will only be visible to you and your friends will not be able to see this post. You can follow this step if you don't want to remove or archive your post. Now over here, you'll also see the option of move to trash or move to archive. So if you tap on any of these options, your post will be moved to archive or trash on your settings. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.